Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, Infosys AI Topaz. Infosys, a global leader in consulting and technology services, has been making waves in the field of artificial intelligence. And Topaz is one of their remarkable innovations. So, let's dive right into it. Before we delve into the specifics of Infosys AI Topaz, let's understand the significance of AI in today's world. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries by automating processes, enhancing decision-making, and enabling businesses to leverage data in meaningful ways. Infosys, being at the forefront of technological advancements, has developed AI Topaz as a cutting-edge solution. So, what exactly is Infosys AI Topaz? Well, it is an AI-powered platform developed by Infosys to help enterprises embrace and scale artificial intelligence within their organizations. AI Topaz provides a comprehensive set of tools, frameworks, and capabilities to accelerate the AI journey of businesses across industries. Now, let's explore some of the key features of Infosys AI Topaz that make it stand out in the market. Data management and integration. AI Topaz offers robust data management and integration capabilities. It can seamlessly integrate with various data sources, whether structured or unstructured, and provide a unified view for analysis. With efficient data management, businesses can make informed decisions based on reliable and accurate information. Model development and deployment. Another remarkable feature of AI Topaz is its ability to develop and deploy AI models. It provides a collaborative environment for data scientists and engineers to build, test, and refine machine learning models. These models can then be easily deployed into production systems, enabling businesses to derive value from AI quickly. AI Topaz offers advanced model monitoring and management capabilities. It allows businesses to track the performance of deployed models, detect anomalies, and make necessary adjustments to ensure optimal outcomes. This feature empowers organizations to continuously improve their AI models. Explainability and interpretability are essential aspects of AI systems, especially when dealing with sensitive or regulated domains. AI Topaz incorporates explainability techniques to provide insights into how the AI models arrive at specific decisions. This transparency helps build trust and enables businesses to comply with regulatory requirements. Benefits of Infosys AI Topaz. Now that we understand the key features of AI Topaz, let's discuss the benefits it brings to businesses. Accelerated AI adoption. AI Topaz simplifies and accelerates the adoption of artificial intelligence for enterprises. It provides a comprehensive platform that streamlines the AI development lifecycle, reducing the time and effort required to implement AI solutions. This allows businesses to harness the power of AI and stay ahead in the competitive landscape. Scalability and flexibility. Infosys AI Topaz is designed to be highly scalable and flexible. It can handle large volumes of data, accommodate diverse use cases, and adapt to evolving business needs. This scalability and flexibility enable organizations to scale their AI initiatives and address a wide range of business challenges. Enhanced decision-making. By leveraging AI Topaz, businesses can unlock valuable insights from their data, leading to better decision-making. The platform's advanced analytics capabilities enable businesses to uncover patterns, predict outcomes, and gain a deeper understanding of their operations. This empowers stakeholders to make data-driven decisions that drive business growth. Increased operational efficiency. With AI Topaz, businesses can automate manual and repetitive tasks, reducing human effort and increasing operational efficiency. By leveraging AI models, organizations can optimize processes, improve productivity, and focus their resources on high-value activities. This ultimately leads to cost savings and improved overall efficiency. conclusion, Infosys AI Topaz is undoubtedly a game changer in the field of artificial intelligence. With its comprehensive features, scalability, and flexibility, it empowers businesses to embrace AI and derive significant value from their data. As AI continues to shape the future of various industries, platforms like AI Topaz will play a crucial role in driving innovation and transformation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the world of AI.